Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Pomelo. Today I will show you how to use NestMap with Stellarium. Stellarium is a very nice software that transforms your computer into planetarium. So it's very realistic sky with occlusion, stars, a lot of info and trajectory of planets and satellite. You can also get the effect of the atmosphere on the viewing, and you can get a simulation of the view of the sky from everywhere in the world. So it is very a reference for small dome planetarium, mobile planetarium, and a lot of teachers use it to teach basic of astronomy. It's free. And most of the time it's used with a single fisheye projector, but I will show you how to use it with NestMap using Spout. So Spout is a kind of hidden secret feature into Stellarium, so I think it's a good way to show you how to use it with tutorial videos. So the first thing is to, of course, install Stellarium. I will not pass those steps with you because it's not the purpose of the video, but there's just download the appropriate Windows installation files, install, and you should have icon or a shortcut on your desktop once it's installed. The only things to modify is you have to go in the properties of the icon of the shortcut, and when you get the target, after the quotes, just add space dash dash spout SPOUT equal sky, or you can equal all, but you should probably prefer sky to avoid to show everything, including the menu and all this diagnostic information that you don't want the people see for distraction. So once you install, you write those extra command line, just click OK, and now when you execute Stellarium, we'll start NestMap at the same time. So you should see, this is Spout for OBS, you should see Stellarium here. So if you don't add the dash dash spout equal all or sky, you should not see this. So this is mean that it works. So if I select this one and I press start, I get an image. But this is not exactly what you want, because if you want to project in a dome with a multi-projector system, you want a fisheye image, and this is not fisheye. For example, if I move like this, I could look like image, I could like fisheyes. But just to be sure, you can go here in the menu, just go left with your mouse, select sky viewing option, and then instead of stereographic, use fisheyes, and you can force it to be 180 degrees like this. So now you're guaranteed it's a real fisheye at 180 degrees. If I go back to resume NestMap. So the other things to do is, you see, to be perfectly project in the dome, the sky or the horizon should follow the green guideline all around. This is not. The reason that the reason of that is because it's the Spout output is the same resolution as your Windows. So now the Windows is filled the full monitor, the full screen, so it gives you exactly the same dimension, which is not a 1:1 ratio, which is should be for a fisheye image. So the next step is, if you go back into Stellarium, you go in the bottom of the Windows, you get this button here, just already check. It's the full screen mode. Just unclick it to remove the on-screen mode, and every time you resize the Windows, you will see the resolution change. So now you have to adjust the size of the windows to get a square windows. So you can still look here every time you move the windows to have an idea of the size. So you just give some time to adjust, just to be, it could be approximate, don't have to be pixel perfect. Like this is very good, but the output will not be updated until you stop and you restart it. And voila. So now you get the full fisheye image for your dome. So now you can use it as you should be, with all the menu. Oh, now it's hidden with the, just move a little bit here. So now if I remove the atmosphere, okay, I'll just restart it because I move it. Okay. So you see you have a lot of information on the screen, but you don't see it in the Spout output. So the people just see this section, but you can still, I will not see your mouse either, but you can still point in the sky, and the point will be highlighted in the Spout output also. If I click somewhere with more information, okay, so it will change the output and select the right place, but only you see all those details. So that's it. Also, don't worry about the frame rates look low, because it only updates when there's changing to save resources. So if I move the sky, you will see the frame rate, it will jump up to the 60 frame. But now I will not do it because, okay, and when you stop, it will go down because there's nothing else to refresh. So that's it. So I hope you enjoy it, and to use Stellarium in your multi-projector dome project with NestMap. I think it's easy enough to try it, and it's free. So let's go. Bye bye.